Impact of unemployment. The problem of unemployment gives rise to the problem of poverty. You don't have job, you'll not have money. When you'll not have money, you'll not able to meet the basic expenses. When you'll not able to meet the basic expenses, obviously there will be poverty. Young people, after a long time of unemployment, indulge in illegal and wrong activities for earning money. This also leads to increase in crime in the country. Why crime happens? It is not maximum time related to unemployment, but when you are having skill, when you are healthy, when you are educated, you're not getting any job, what you will do? You will do something to earn money, whether it is legal or illegal, that is secondary, and I mean it. At certain age, when you compare yourself with others, when you also think you have money to meet your expenses, and you're not getting any job, even you are ready to do anything means anything in a job, but you're not getting it, you're not getting any work anywhere, what you'll do? You'll indulge in illegal and wrong activities so that you can earn money, and this lead to increase in crime. Third, unemployed person can easily be enticed by antisocial elements. This makes them lose faith in democratic values of the country. This is the reality. Not all the time the people who are in Dhanna Pradarshan, then this agitation, this in candle march, their purpose, their intention may be different. But what about the people who are running behind them? Who are those people? Are they employed, or they are just being called so that at the end of the day they'll get 200 or 300 rupees one time meal? Maximum time it is those people who are unemployed, they are easily targeted by a particular group, and they lose faith in the democracy, they lose faith in the government. Their minds are brainwashed. They think that the system is not doing anything for them. It is often seen that unemployed people end up getting addicted to drugs and alcohol or attempt suicide, leading loss to human resource of the company. Obviously, the people are resource. You who all are listening to this audio, they are resource in future, because you'll be able to meet the demand of the people. Your skill may differ from one to another, but you will be a resource. So nobody want to lose their resource, nobody want to lose their asset. But unemployed people, what they'll do? They want to do something, they're not getting anything. They'll be addicted to drugs, alcohol, or they attempt suicide. They think life is an end, which is ultimately a loss to a country, because we are losing a human resource. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.